Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And now guys, we will have our another unboxing from Shein. And now guys, before we continue our vlog, let me first introduce my channel, Margie Olvida. Don't forget to hit the notification button bell so that you can alerted every time that I have upload. And now guys, let us open. So I would like to show you guys all um, any style of underwear made of uh, leopard. This is leopard. So first is one is panty shirts. This is a panty shirt. This one. So this is leopard clothes print. Uh, this print is leopard. And next is the underwear. So nice. And yeah, anyway, I forget. So the big garter. I like this anyway. So look, the garterized and the front. Back and the front. Look. Um, misguided. Misguided. So nice. Tara! And the next is this one. Tara! So nice. The print is leopard. Look. So nice. And the back. Nice. And next is another leopard. Tara! Very nice, guys. I love this. Anyway, so look at the side. It's very unique, right? This size is uh, medium size. This is a medium size. Medium size. Look, so nice. And the next is this one. Wow, it's leopard also, guys. So nice. Look at the back. The back is garterized also. The style, look. So this size is medium size. This is for summer underwear, so very sexy. And then this is a very comfortable if you wear this one. So nice, you know. I'm so excited. So nice, guys. Very nice. I love the back. Look. So cute. So this is also leopard clothes. Uh, yeah. So nice. Thank you for watching, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and to support my channel, guys. So that we will have our another more unboxing any style of underwear from Shein. And you can also comment down below, and if you have any request. And I hope, guys, you like my content, and I hope also you will become my members. So I really appreciate it so much. So thank you, and God bless us all.